Now, if it can happen to Peter B's brother, with all the connection on well, if you go near that, you destroy a business. I hear if you destroy you by a on hand with superior development plan. Not because that you spoke against injustice, or because you need to vote to throw the right person if you get developed over that. Or because now the jealous of you need a grow na business. I can destroy that your beauty. Is it becoming clear to you now? Oh, yeah, can you go my last time I made a video about North Carolina and the Igbo. You got a May 14th of June, say no Igbo Day, but because of Hindi Igbo contribute. Eba nke ahụ na-ebuild ha na-ewu ya anya ọkụ na-emebisi ya na-destroy ya. If you go to one Peter Obi kita ka ejide company destroy ya bụ company because ị nwere ike ị na-ene ise ọhụna ngwa gị ọ bụrụ na ị nwere little idea about production ịfụ na ị nwere ike ịnọ na flat na-generate ihe dịka billions in a year na ọ bụrụ na actually what you are into na-move. It's not surprising because I keep telling my Igbo brothers ndị abụkwa ndị chọrọ ndị nna ha chọrọ na a ga-ekeep in perpetual poverty after the war. Mana mmadụ abụchi ọ bụ onye asị nwụọ na nwanne chi onye adịghị n'izu onweghị ihe eme ya na the table turn ije na-egokozi ya na ha na-egokola na ha. You understand? You na-egokola na ha na-arụzi ụlọ na-edevelop and you want them to be happy. You understand? So especially in Igbo, you have to be very careful when you invest. Obviously, na-ebonye biko na-awachi another ben nwekwe backup etu ọ dị kịta na Igbo. Because if it can happen to Peter this brother, it can happen to anybody. And when they kill and all that. I will show you the video. I will show you what Peter B said by himself. No, Oyo Johnny and all that. All the very, very bad. This is pure injustice. And I can because if you only hear Mechion and all that, up turn by turn, when you keep silent, when it comes to your turn, when a student now, that other exam because no okujolo mba actually did that with incitement self. Esuria no and people incite. Popia court. That call member and again criticize the government almost a 2 months extension. I don't know where 1 month nurse criticize Remy and other Alexander. Can you see intimidation? And you call this democracy? How much okay watch? Let you watch the video. I want you to watch the video so that the careful Peter video and all that. Came one and there is fire on the mountain. You got a man also. And what also. For now, good. Up under Nigeria, I get which you understand? We'll keep doing the right thing because now anyone abondo game make this change and all that. I did Jimbo Boagarog. Watch the video.
They said I've got a junction. That the owner gave me. I said, who is Yona? They said they don't know Yona. They just gave them. I said, who is Yona? They said they don't know Yona. Can I see the cotton junction and see who the owner is, the person who is claiming his shield? They gave me the cotton junction. The cotton junction explicitly said unknown person. How can you sue an unknown person? I said the land belongs to you. The land with property. And within yesterday and today, it's demolishing property. Look at it. They've removed the roof, they removed everything. Okay, give me your proper documentation, demolition orders, because even if you want to demolish the house, you go to the state, they give you order to demolish, give you appropriate documentation, bring safety people and them, so that we know you're doing what is now. It's only while I'm here now. That's what people came and said, there's safety order. What kind of a country is this? How do you descend to this level of rascality? How can you show a non person? Enter somebody's land and everything. I've been here for 4 hours. I've not seen one person who come and say, I'm the owner. Nobody could remove anything. Is that how they come to work? They just came suddenly, started demolition. You know, if my brother didn't have a brother like me, they would. He wanted to enter here. They said, no, you can't enter. We have caught injunction. What about caught injunction that allows somebody to enter into another person's property? They sued him for removing his things and everything and demolishing everywhere. of court injunction is that we are finished with the country.